So, balik tayo ngayon dito sa West Edmonton Mall, guys. Part 4 na ito, guys. Ayan, guys. Lilibot lang tayo dito, guys. Hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Aaron Carale, and don't forget to click the notification bell na all para updated kayo lagi sa aking vlog. Ayan, guys. Kanina, guys, nagkape tayo, guys. Ayan, ito na naman, guys. Yo. Pang 48 videos na natin ito, guys. Yan, guys. So next week, guys, Tuesday to Sunday, guys, trabaho na ako, guys. Straight, except pala sa Friday and Monday, guys. So, sa Sunday ay 8 AM to 2 PM, guys. Yan yung ito, guys. Sa Wednesday naman 1 to 7 o kalimutan ko na, guys. Hindi ko kasi kabisado. Ayan, guys, mag-charge muna tayo dito, guys, kasi lubat na yung power bank ko plus yung cellphone ko, guys. Guys, so doon tayo sa kabila mag-charge kasi dito kasi yung charger nila ay hindi na charge. May umiyak na bata, guys. Libot muna tayo, guys, habang wala tayong trabaho, guys. Bukas na naman, guys, ulit. Bukas, tournament ko bukas. So sa Thursday, guys, 1 to 4 lang yung trabaho ko, guys. Pagkatapos din, guys, punta tayo sa West Edmonton Mall. West Edmonton Mall hanggang 6 tayo, guys. Ayan, guys. So dito tayo mag-charge, guys. Battery is running low na, guys. So, guys, dito, guys, charge tayo dito, guys. So ayan, guys. Kaya hindi ba nakasubscribe again sa aking YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Aaron Carale, and don't forget to click the notification bell na all para updated kayo lagi sa aking mga vlog. Ayan, guys, mag-charge muna tayo, guys. Ayan, guys, punta na, guys. Ayan, guys, mag-charge na, guys. Ayan, guys, dito tayo mag-charge. Ayan, guys, dito muna magtatapos yung ating vlog, guys. So mamaya, guys, pag malaking percent na ito yung cellphone ko, guys, lilibot tayo, guys. Have a wonderful day and have a nice day. See ya.